Hello, good morning all of you. I am going to continue example lecture of vector analysis. Now today I am going to discuss here the GATE previous year questions. First question is, an electrostatic field is said to be conservative. Again he asked about the conservative. So if any field is conservative, then what will be the condition for conservative field? Conservative field is nothing but the curl of any vector will be 0. Then we can say this field is conservative. Is that clear? If divergence of any vector field will be 0, then what? Then it will be solenoidal or divergenceless. Is that clear? When Laplacian of any vector will be 0, then this one is harmonic. Just recall these things. Okay. And when gradient of any scalar will be 0, then what this scalar says? Gradient of a scalar will be positive, negative, positive source field, negative sink field. If 0 is there, then what? Just tell me the gradient. If gradient of any scalar will be 0, so 0 means what? No field, because this field will be 0. So till now we didn't discuss about the gradient of any scalar, because if a scalar will be 0, then this one will be 0, and if this quantity will be 0, then nothing exists. Okay, no existence. Okay, and if gradient of any vector will be positive, negative, that one is positive for source field and negative for sink field. Okay, now here it is asking that if electrostatic field, when electrostatic field is conservative. So for conservative, curl should be 0. So this option B is correct. Okay, now next question. What it say? It's a net circulation A dot dl. Is that clear? Line integral, closed line integral is net circulation. So in surface 1, what will we add? It's a remember Stokes theorem. Just we have to fill it here. So it's a curl of A is the right one. Okay, this is the filling the blanks question, and this question asked in 1994 for 1 marks. So just this much only, and we have to fill here. Now next question. Given V vector x of cos square y I cap x square e to the power z j cap plus z of sin square y k cap. X cap, y cap, z cap or I cap, j cap, k cap is similar, no problem. And S the surface of unit cube with one corner at the origin and edges parallel to the coordinate axis. The value of integral v n cap ds is what? We have to fill it here, and this question asked in 1993 for 2 marks. This is a 2 marks question, fill in the blanks type question. So in this question, what we have given? So given a v vector here, v vector given, and S is the surface of unit cube with one corner at origin and edges are parallel to our axis. Okay, so next slide I'm going to try it draw here, that this one is, these are the axes. Now cube should be there, unit cube. This one is unit cube I have made. Okay, this one is the cube. Let's write down the name here. O P Q R S T M N. Clear? Now given, what given? V vector given, x square, just check it, x square, not x square here, x only. X only. X of cos a square y I cap plus x square e to the power z j cap plus z sin square y k cap. Clear? We can write like this: Vx x cap, Vy y cap, and Vz z cap. So that here I cap x cap no problem, j cap y cap no problem, k cap z cap are similar, just differ with notation. So Vx will be what? Vx is x cos square y. Vy will be x square e to the power z, and Vz is equals to z sin square y. Clear? Now we have to find out this cuboid v dot n ds value. Okay, so in this plane OMNP, what? This is the YZ plane. Okay, so for this plane, Vz we have to consider, so dx dy. Is that clear? No, not yz, OMNP, this section. I am going to consider this section. Okay, so this is in xy plane. Okay, so in xy plane, just Vz will be there. Why? Because in this plane z will be 0 and x will be 0 to minus 1 and y will be 0 to 1. Why? Because this one is unit cube. So for OMNP section, just erase it. For OMNP, this one is in xy plane. So for xy plane, what will be the value of z? Z will be 0, x will be from 0 to minus 1 and y will be from 0 to 1. Let's check the figure again. In this plane z will be 0, x will be 0 to minus 1 and y will be 0 to 1. Okay, now if we integrate this one, so normal to this plane, just multiply with normal. So what will be the normal here? What will be the normal for this plane OMNP? Normal along z direction. So only we have to consider the z1 because remaining part will be 0. Is that clear? Okay. So Vz, V dot n will be only Vz, dx dy, and x1 will be 0 to minus 1 and y will be 0 to 1. So what will be Vz? Z sin square y dx dy, 0 to minus 1 and 0 to 1. Just find out the value here. Because z is 0, so the value of this will be 0. Clear? Z will be 0. Now similarly, like OMNP, we can find out the TSQR. So for TSQR, remaining will be same, just change the value of Z. Why? Because Z is already taken one place. So in this one, for TQRS, this one is also in xy plane, but not started from origin. That's why z is equals to 1. and remaining part will be 0. Remaining part will be as it is previous one. Okay, so in previous one for OMNP this value will be 0. Just I say y1, I1 will be 0. Okay, and for TQRS this I2 say dz dx dy, then it will be z sin square y dx dy. So 0 to -1 and 0 to 1 here. Now z value is not 0, z value is 1 here, so that the value of this one is -half. Just do it yourself. Sine of 2/2. Okay, so this is I2. Just do it yourself. Now for OTSM, just check the OTSM plane. OTSM, this plane. I am talking about this plane. So this plane is in XZ plane. So XZ plane is here. So for XZ plane, y will be 0 and x will be from 0 to -1 and z will be 0 to 1. Clear? Now say I3. X square Ez dx dz. This is the normal one, no? So normal along y direction. So what will be value? What will be value here? Just do it yourself. This one is simple double integration. 1/3 e minus 1. Okay, so this is I3. Now similarly for PQRN, parallel to this one is I4, which becomes 1/3 e minus 1. Now for OTQB, I5 will be 0 and for MSRM point I6 से it will becomes half of 1 plus sine of 2/2. Now total I have to find out. I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5 plus I6, and resultant will be half of sine 2. Okay, so thank you. Up to this, I hope you can practice more example. Just check the book and try to solve. If not solved, comment the question and I will make a separate video on those questions. Thank you.